Hello, in this video we will see how we can create an ISO file from a bootable USB drive. So I have a bootable USB drive which has Windows 11 operating system, that is the installer of Windows 11. I want to create an ISO file from that USB pen drive. So at first we need to download and install ImageBurn. So I already installed ImageBurn, this software. If the ImageBurn software is not installed on your computer, you can install it by downloading it. If you don't know how to download and install ImageBurn software, you can check to my channel. There is one video how to download ImageBurn software and then install it. You can check that video and you can start installation the software. Once the software has been installed properly, then you can continue the video tutorial. So I just opened the ImageBurn and I also inserted my pen drive. So if I access my computer, so here is my PC and here this is the pen drive which has Windows 11 and it's almost like 7.6 gigabyte. Okay, it's a 8 gigabyte pen drive, but it has 1.23 gigabyte, like it has like 6.5 gigabyte of size. Okay, if you want to check there, you can click here and you can we can see that basically this is the bootable Windows 11 operating system. So I'm going to close it, we don't need it anymore. So now from the ImageBurn, there are a couple of options are there. We just need to choose this option, create image file from files and folders, because we're going to create the ISO file. So here the picture is actually mentioning everything. This is the ISO file and this is a files or folder, something like that. Okay, so we just click here and then we'll find this type of thing. From this window we need to enter the source and destination. So source is the pen drive, right? So if we access our computer, we are seeing the Z is the source. So we just need to click this folder icon and then it will open like this. And then from here we have to choose this thing, this pen drive, and we have to choose select folder, and the pen drive will be selected like this way. Now in the destination folder, basically we just need to press this icon and then we can type a name, right, file name, and it will save as ISO file. So I'm going to press the downloads link, I'm in downloads folder, and here I am going to type the file name like win11 underscore modified. Okay, so this will be our file name and then it will be saved at ISO file, and then click the save button and here you will see the destination path. Once everything is ready, then we can press this button to start converting that pen drive to an ISO file, which will be Windows 11 ISO file. So I'm going to press here and I will see that it started loading everything. That means it started converting from the USB pen drive to ISO file. It will take some time, like 1 minute to 4 minutes. For my case, it took like 4 minutes around. And once everything is done, then it will give us the confirmation message like this. Once the ISO image has been created successfully, you will get this type of confirmation message that operation successfully completed. Press OK button to close this thing. Now you can close everything. Now let's check whether the ISO file has been created or not. I'm going to access the downloads folder, and here we are seeing that this is the ISO file, and if we try to check the size, this is 6.654 gigabyte. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily create an image file from a bootable USB drive which may have any operating system like Windows or Linux or Mac OS, anything is fine. So hopefully by watching this video you will be able to create an ISO file from a bootable USB pen drive. Thank you guys for watching the video.